Good morning, seventh grade. Today we're going to look at R.2. It says, write an equation for the sequence of operations described below. Add y and z. Okay, add. So we hit y plus z, then add 5 to the result. Plus 5. And we'll see what happens. And it likes it. Woohoo! All right, divide h by 3. H divided by 3. You could also use this little fraction bar. H divided by 3. Then it says multiply. And notice they want to use the dot for multiply by 9. Do not simplify. It says raise j to the 8th power. So here's j. Notice I hit the little box over here because this is how we want to get to our powers. So then I hit 8. And then add k. Raise z to the 4th power. So there's my base. My exponent is 4. Then we're going to multiply it. So let's just try it this way. Notice if I keep typing right here, that is not z to the 4th power. This is going to mark it wrong. I would have hit the button again. Z, make sure I click up here to the 4th. Now I have z to the 4th power. And then let me try to multiply it by y using the letter x. Notice this is not, the computer will not recognize it. It'll think this is z to the 4th, xy. Okay, so with multiplication, please make sure you use the little dot right here for multiplying. Add 7 to z. Well, z plus 7, because again, we have z, then we added 7 to it. Then we're going to multiply it by y. Notice, that's what I was going to get ready to show you. Notice it says add 7 to z, then you're going to multiply that result by y. Here is why this is incorrect. This technically would say you would have to multiply 7 times y, then add z to it because of order operations. So notice it says add 7 to z and then multiply your results, right? So you're going to multiply everything in here by y. Not a big deal. Just hit got it. Subtract w from v. So it has to be v minus w. Order matters. Then you're going to divide that result. So you need to use parentheses. Show that result divided by 2. Again, if you get it wrong, come up here and look and say, what did I do wrong? Well, it says subtract w from v. Did we do that? Sure we did. And then it says then divide that result by 2. Technically, the computer is wrong because let's just say this is 9, and that's 3. Let's just use 10 and then 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so 10 minus 5. Excuse me, let's say v is 10. And let's say w is 2. Well, 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So let's just try the top. 2, v is 10. W we said is 2. Well, that gives me 8. 2 divided by 8 is 1/4. Okay. So I'll just hit got it. U raised to the 3rd power. Divide that by v. Let's see if it writes this, likes this. It does. It's a correct format. Add v to 5. Well, this is adding 5 to v. So let's add 5 plus v. Subtract that result. From 3. V raised to the 8th power. Subtract that, then subtract 7. So we'll put it in parentheses. minus 7. All right, we're up to 53. Let's jump up a level. Y plus the quotient. Quotient means we're going to divide. So y, let's try this out, plus the quotient of 9 divided by 8. 2 fewer than the difference of m and 6. Well, be m plus 6. I'm going to put that in parentheses. And fewer than means to subtract. I'm going to say what I do wrong. Uh-oh, look at the careless mistake I did. I did a plus. What's it say? 2 fewer than the difference. Oh, what I just say difference means? You have to be careful. Difference means to subtract. So we had everything right. We just, I accidentally typed in the plus symbol. Not a big deal. Multiply 5 by t. So 5t, you can show it that way. Or we'll use the little dot. Then we're going to subtract in parentheses. I'm going to subtract 4. Awesome. We're up to 68. And I believe that is the last type of problem. And we'll try one more for fun. Double the product. Well, product means the multiply of t and u. So we'll do parentheses, t times u. Now, we want to double that. And we just did. All right, well, that's today's lesson. If you have questions, please join the video chat. Thank you very much and have a good day.